introduce two factories of Yongchang, and the first one is EP Foam Factory. Let's take a look. The raw material of EP foam is mainly PE resin particles. Here is the foaming area. Add foaming agent and additives to melted PE resin particles. Mix well and then extrude through a mold to generate air bubbles to form the basic structure of EPE foam. And now we're in the EPE foam 5th production workshop. Here is our cutting machine. The board made of EPE foam is cut into EPE foam blocks of different sizes by cutting machinery. Now we are loading our product and we are ready to send it to our customer. And now I'm in the second workshop. Let's check out how the air bubble wrap made out. We can see here is the raw material workshop. Firstly, different types of resin raw materials are selected according to the soft and hard requirements of the air bubble film. The raw material is put into the extrusion molding machine. And the raw material particles are heated and melted at a high temperature of 230 degrees Celsius, and the resin melted into a paste will be sent to the film forming blow film machine. There are many small holes in the round holes on these foaming rollers, connected with the machine for air extraction. We will check the final quality and pack it into the PE bag. Here is one of our warehouses.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.